Hi friends, today my daughter will show you how the air pressure will work. I take a glass of water and place a paper on it and I will show how it will work. I just keep it down and water will not come out. This is a concept of air pressure and I keep it straightway and keep it down. The water will not flow out. As you see, the water is still inside the glass and paper is on the top of the glass, and I am keeping it in this way and keeping it down. The water will not come out, and it is a concept of air pressure. Now from the beginning I will show you how it will work. Let's take, remove the paper from the top of the glass and fill the complete glass of water. The glass is completely filled with water and gently place a piece of paper and just put your hand in this way and keep it gently in this way. As you see, the glass is full of water and paper is lying on the top of the glass. Now you slowly remove the hand from the bottom and leave it, and it will show how it will work. And as you see, and you move here and there, there is water is not coming out of the glass. It is a concept of air pressure. Now you keep it upward and same you can repeat it. Keep it downward, it will remain as it.
I'm back with a new video science experiment in which we learn the concept of air pressure. For that we need a glass full of water, a piece of paper. For the precautionary measures, I am doing this experiment near the sink, and which if the water flows, it will directly flow to switch. Now let's begin. Take a glass of water, put the piece of paper like this and flip it like this. And after 3 seconds, remove your hand gently. Like this. You can see the paper have stopped the flow of water from the glass. Now I will flip it again like this and flip it again downwards. You can see the water is not flowing because of the air pressure. This is the concept we want to learn of air pressure. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, then don't forget to give the comment and share this video to all your relatives. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.